Hey everybody, I hope you all had a great weekend. I want to take just a couple minutes here and introduce the challenge for our app development side of um, the next block of learning that we're doing in the class. Okay, so the challenge for our app is to create an app that builds stronger communities in these post-COVID times. Okay, so a little context for that. Through all of your communication logs and learning networks, the one resounding theme is how much COVID and all that's gone along with COVID has changed the ways we interact and communicate with one another. And so the challenge for this app is to think together in your groups of ways to help build stronger communities now that some of our our past pre-COVID communication has changed. We don't have as much face-to-face, right? And so the reason that that's kind of an interesting thing to explore is because one of the things that we're doing by teaching code is we're creating applications. If you think about applications or our interactions with applications, mediate our communication between people both within our groups or within our cultural groups and across our cultural groups. And so these applications are the mediators of that. We're generally in this class Western educators working in indigenous communities. So two drastically different worldviews that get coded in our language. And then, so we have two different worldviews, and then we're teaching another third, basically, or a way to think about it is a third language between these two worldviews that's very precise, very formatted, and that's the actual coding. So by thinking through an app challenge that gets us to work on connecting across groups to build stronger communities will help us in how we want to present the teaching of the very precise syntax, essentially, that accomplishes the tasks of the apps. We'll be talking lots about that, but that's basically the challenge for your app design, is to come up with an app that it helps build stronger communities through improved communication across the community.